Hey there, crypto enthusiasts. Welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into a straightforward guide on how to send Dogecoin from your Crypto.com account to your Arculus wallet in 2025. Whether you're looking to secure your coins or just diversify your storage options, this step-by-step tutorial will get you there quickly and safely. Let's jump right in. First things first, before we start, make sure you have a few basics covered. You'll need the Crypto.com app installed on your phone, your account logged in, and your Arculus wallet set up with Dogecoin enabled. Double check that you have your Arculus wallet address handy. It's a long string of letters and numbers, so copy it carefully to avoid any mistakes. Step 1. Open the Crypto.com app and log into your account. Navigate to the Wallets section and select Dogecoin from your list of assets. Once you're there, look for the Withdraw or Send option. It's usually a button or tab at the top. Step 2. In the withdrawal screen, you'll need to enter the destination address. Paste in your Arculus wallet address that you copied earlier. Make sure to select the correct network. Dogecoin typically uses its own network, so confirm it's set properly to avoid any transaction failures. Step 3. Enter the amount of Dogecoin you want to send. Remember to account for any network fees. These can vary, so check the estimated fee before proceeding. Once everything looks good, hit the Confirm button and authorize the transaction with your app's security features, like biometrics or a PIN. After you confirm, sit tight. The transaction might take a few minutes to a couple of hours, depending on network congestion. Once it's done, open your Arculus wallet app to verify that your Dogecoin has arrived. A quick tip: always double-check the wallet address to prevent sending your coins to the wrong place. That's irreversible. If you run into any issues, Crypto.com support or Arculus resources can help. There you have it, folks. You've successfully transferred your Dogecoin. This process keeps your assets secure and under your control. If you found this video helpful, smash that like button, subscribe for more crypto tips, and drop a comment below if you have questions. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.